Hello, this is Nathan with UnitConnect, the online property management software company. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be covering how to update existing units within UnitConnect. So here I'm on the main dashboard, and to begin, I'm going to start by coming over to Properties here in the main menu. Here we are on the properties page, and we can see all of the existing properties that I've added to my account. And so now I'm going to select one, and we'll see the corresponding units. And so now what I can do is on the left hand side under Actions, I can click on Property Units. Alright, now we're here on the Property Units tab. I'm going to scroll down, and so we can see that currently this property has one unit. And if I want to modify it, I can select it and come to the bottom and click on Modify Unit. Now we can see our address, we can see the unit type, which is currently selected as commercial. We can see the unit number, unit size, and unit share. So currently there's only one unit, and so it has a unit share of 100%. And so let's say that we're going to add another unit. So we're going to reduce this to 50%, and I'm going to click Save. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a unit here on the left-hand side at the bottom. And so here at the top, it says click to populate based on building information. So I'm going to click on that. So that automatically added the address. In addition, I can now specify the unit number. So I'm going to put unit number 2. For the size, I'm going to put it at 7,000, and for the unit share, let's leave it at 50% and click Save. All right, so now we can see that we've added the second unit to this property, which is currently vacant, but that is how you go about updating units here in UnitConnect. All right, that concludes this video tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. Please stay tuned for future updates, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.